Okay, let me give you another example of solving using factor and zero product rule. So say I have 4x cubed plus 4x squared minus 48x is equal to 0. You might notice there's a bunch of stuff I could factor out of this, right? Right off the bat, I think there's a 4x common throughout that stuff. So I think that'll leave me with a x squared, a plus x, and a minus 12. Okay? And this is still equal to 0. Now I'm going to factor this thing with the AC method, or with the other factor method. Okay, so I'm looking for two numbers, right, that add to 1, multiply to negative 12. So I think that's going to look like x plus 4 and x minus 3. So don't sweat it if that factor step takes you a second longer than it takes me. Right now I'm just highlighting solving. However, you got to do that factor step. So now I want to zero product rule this thing. Okay? So to zero product rule this thing, I take each of the pieces that's multiplied. So that's going to be this one, and that one. Set them equal to 0. So either 4x is 0, or x plus 4 is 0, or x minus 3 is 0. And now on all of these you want to solve. So to solve this last one, I add 3 to both sides. I get x is 3. Or here on the middle one, I think I want to subtract 4 from both sides. So I'll get x is minus 4. Or over here, I think I want to, what do you want to do with that one? Maybe divide both sides by 4? If I divide both sides by 4, I get x is 0. And there's my answer. X is 0, or x is minus 4, or x is 3. And I'm comfy with this because the number of answers you get down here should match the highest power up here unless something funky happens. Cool?